Hi guys, we're out at this ball area. What do they call it? Ball ground or something for playing football, netball, basketball, whatever. But it's a nice rubber surface and relatively smooth. Tried this here yesterday and it was struggling. So I took it home and I've lubricated all the joints and we'll give it another go. There's just a tiny bit of rain, so there's a little bit of dampness in the air, but I think we'll be okay. Right, I've pumped it up, we're in the green on there, and we've already measured this. If we get to the other end, we'll have done 38 metres, but it does seem to go offline a bit. I'll point it right a bit because it seems to go left. We're not going to go anywhere like that. When I pumped it up just now, we had a bit of a leak, so I think we got a problem. Well, that's one problem. Wheel fell off. Right, try again. Well, that's a better run, and it's going to stay on target. Oh, brilliant. Excellent. I measured it, and from edge to edge it was actually 37.7 metres, but going right into the back there we've definitely done 38 metres, and a little bit further we could have gone. See if we can do a return run. Off we go again. Oh dear, the wheels fell off. Oh dear. Right, bit of a dogfight going on over there, but we're safe in here. We're all caged in, which is nice. So let's see if we can do it without the wheels falling off this time. It's got a bit fast, and the run to keep up. Oh, it's just going to go out of line. Okay, well, we made it end to end, and we started inside the goal area there, so I claim that 38 metres in both directions.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.